Hey everyone, Punx the Clown here, coming to you for Rotten Reviews. We are here in Indiana at this really cool place, and I want to do a review for you. I got a little bit of a sweet tooth, so let's take a look around at Uranus Fudge Factory. Now, if you're wondering some of the things you can do here at Uranus Fudge Factory, we have 5 fun things to do here in Uranus. Get your fudge packed inside. You can pet an alien. We'll grab your nuts here at Uranus Fudge Factory. Play in Uranus and get a lick of Uranus in the rear here at Uranus Fudge Factory. Now you might be asking yourself, how do you get into Uranus Fudge Factory? The door is over there. It is not, this door is an exit only into Uranus Fudge Factory. Alright y'all, it's time. The crew is here. Let's enter Uranus. It's like Cheers. Oh man, it smells great in Uranus. I'm just gonna say. There is a huge variety of fudge in Uranus. Would you just look at all the fudge? Your fudge looks amazing, sir. It appears they also have some salty chocolate balls here in Uranus. And as if there isn't enough to do here, you can get your rocks off at Uranus Mining Company. There is a huge variety of t-shirts here in Uranus, including this one, Uranus Mortuary. We bury them deep in Uranus. Alright y'all, I feel like it's time to get our fudge packed in Uranus. Guys, this place is fantastic.
We put a lot of work into making Uranus an experience.
And an experience it is here at Uranus. I am having so much fun in Uranus. Every day is an adventure in Uranus. I'm going to check out, and then I'm going to go out in the car and eat some fudge from Uranus. Thank you, Uranus Fudge Factory!
Oh, it's Punx? Is that the one way out of Uranus? Right here.
Alright y'all, this is Punx signing out. I had such a good time at Uranus Fudge Factory. If you're ever out here, stop and check it out. Uranus Fudge Factory. They want me to let you know that you can get your fudge packed online. So please, check out Uranus Fudge Factory. Alright. You're a little too late because this is the chocolate walnut fudge from Uranus Fudge Factory. And oh my god, it is delicious. Oh my god. I'm so excited to wrap my lips around this fudge from Uranus. Uranus fudge it's the shit. I can die happy knowing that I've put fudge from Uranus Fudge Factory in my body. Just gonna pack it in. You guys, check out Uranus Fudge Factory. It's fantastic.